Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the tab name on your WordPress Blocksy site. Okay, so you can see here on our tab, we have our domain name. So we want this to say website assets. Let's click on customize, which would take us to the WordPress customizer. And as you can see here, it says you're now customizing untitled. Let's scroll down and click on under the core section, click on site identity. And here we have site title, and I've already got it saved here, website assets. We can also change the tagline here, but let's just click on publish and wait for that to save. And with that saved, let's go ahead and click reload. And you can see that our title here now says website assets. So we can't really customize it on from there. We can add a logo, an icon, and the tagline, but for this video, that's how you set up your tab name in WordPress Blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.